Alright guys, so today I want to do an unboxing slash review on this awesome 62-inch metal garden rake. So it's literally about 5 pieces total. I'm taking them all out. All that is some awesome stainless steel parts. So I'll show you how to put it together. It comes with 2 nuts and bolts. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and line that up. And you get the 2 nuts and bolts that it comes with. And the cool thing is that you won't need any of your own tools. It literally comes with everything that you need. And once we get these on here, then it's literally just setting up the last pieces of it. But as you can see, once you get it up and turning, you are good to go. So now I'll go ahead and start doing these extra attachments. You literally just turn them into place and it'll lock in there, as well as for this one. And then the last piece, which does have a nice handle on it, you just screw it on there as well. So let's test it out. As you can see, it holds up really, really well. This will do well for turning soil, for weeds, for fertilizer, for branches. It'll do well for all your garden needs. So if you're looking for a good, reliable rake, highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.